if you want to make your windows roll up and down smoothly, and your door hinges, you want to keep your door hinges from sticking, this is what you want to use: WD-40 silicone. It stays on longer. It lubricates a little bit better than regular WD-40 or PB Blaster. PB Blaster makes silicone too, but couldn't find it at work the other day. Because I knew where it was, but I didn't just feel like going on over to where it was at. But anyway, silicone is what you want to keep your windows rolling up and down smoothly and your door hinges from sticking and hanging up. Take my Ford Maverick, for example. The windows on it haven't been rolled down in about 4 years, almost 5 years. So I got them rolled down. I got some of this silicone. And all you want to do is you just want to go right here in the track of the glass. Right here in the track of the glass and just spray. Okay. You want to do the front track too? Come on, baby. There you go. Well, get it good and lubricated, and just roll your window up and down. Much better. Just roll it up and down, work it in. You heard that little crack. I got some trash down in the doors I gotta get out. But just spray your runners really good where the glass goes up and down. And it'll keep them lubricated. The windows won't stick. They won't get hung up. And do your door hinges too. Where they at? Right there. There's one of them. You want to soak them down good. The other one right there. Get them nice and lubricated. Just want to work them back and forth. See, much better. Much better. The pins are shot because these are really long doors, longer than normal. But that's how you keep your window tracks and your door hinges from hanging up and sticking. How to keep your windows, your glass, rolling up and down smoothly. And it also works well on door locks. You just stick it in the hole, give it a couple squirts, then just stick your key in a few times, work it back and forth. Wipe off any excess so it doesn't mess up your paint. And just like your door locks, it's good for your ignition switch too. Thanks for watching.